How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to PS5 using Bluetooth. First, make sure the Bluetooth mode on your headphones is turned on. Most models have a dedicated Bluetooth button that switches the headset into Bluetooth mode. If you're not sure where it is or how it works, check the user manual for your specific model. For this headset, you simply need to press the Bluetooth button to enable it. Once Bluetooth is enabled on the headphones, go to your PS5 and open Settings. From there, navigate to Accessories, then select Bluetooth Accessories. In this menu, you'll see a list of devices that are already paired as well as new devices available to connect. Look for your headphones listed as Turtle Beach Stealth 500 or whatever name appears for your device. Select the headset from the list to begin pairing. You may be prompted to allow a few permissions, accept them to continue. After pairing is complete, the headset will appear under Paired Accessories and you should be able to use it. That's how you connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your PS5 using the Bluetooth mode on your headphones. Hopefully this helps, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.